Here's step-by-step guide how to add a video in your slide on Google Slides. Alright, let's jump into it. So first, once we're here, we can do right click here and now click New Slide. And then click on Insert button at the top left corner. In the drop-down menu, you can choose video. In the pop-up window, you can search all of YouTube or past URL here, or just click on Google Drive. But first, open new window and here type Google Drive. Click on this link and then click on Go to Drive. Once you're here, you should sign in your same account. And just upload here your video file. Just click and drag this file to your Google Drive. Once video is uploaded, you can return to Google presentation and then you can see here video. Click here and click on Insert button at the bottom right corner. And then you can see here video. You can transform, delete this, and then click on View button at the top left corner and click on Slideshow. That's it. I hope it helps convert this new video or this playlist about Google Slides.